nothing worse than going on vacation and feeling like you are not ready to put on your bikini. I had a last minute trip to Palm Springs kind of sneak up on me. I felt like I needed a little bit of extra help, so I went on a hunt, and what I found was a secret weapon to get you bikini ready in only 7 days. I love this cleanse because it's all natural and it's also gluten-free, and it's designed to do just one thing, and that's to flatten your stomach and slim you down for your best bikini bod ever. Each box comes with a bikini passport. Now this is all of the information that you need. It has your workout log, your food list, and also positive affirmations to get you through the day. With this cleanse, you only replace one meal a day. You replace it with this bikini smoothie. Now this has your multivitamin in it, and it's also protein packed. And what I love about that is you still get to eat, so it's actually easier to stick to than other cleanses. Mix these bikini sticks into your water. They are chock full of the super ingredient raspberry ketone. This is gonna help you curb your cravings, and it's also gonna help you burn fat. And they taste delicious. At night, have a cup of this bikini tea. Now this is an incredible tea. It's gonna help you detox and rejuvenate on a cellular level, and it's also gonna help you release excess water, so you are not gonna have any bloat. So while this cleanse will help you get bikini ready in only 7 days, the results actually last way longer than that. Now for me, it was like a mental reboot. It got me back on track, practicing my healthy habits that I'm still maintaining even after the cleanse. I've got my next cleanse in my bikini drawer. Where's yours?